what I really want to do, and I'm going to go to the trade show afterwards, because I know you have questions. Some of them you may not want to raise your hand about her, so I'll be there with you, to talk the rest of the afternoon or so if you have any questions. But anything you've got in the preventive legal care area now that you want the rest of the group to hear of, or what is bothering you, that legally something can be done. We have a website called MyTravelRights, free website, no advertising on it. And what it does, MyTravelRights.com, when your customer has a complaint and you want to get them off of your back, you say, yes, why don't you go file a complaint on MyTravelRights.com. What had happened, the Department of Transportation was going to advocate some consumer laws, which we thought the travel agents also wanted. So ARTA met with the Department of Transportation people, and at that time there was a senator from a state next to California running for president who was carrying the bill, got a X $100,000 campaign donation from American Airlines, and the bill was withdrawn. So there went the bill. So they met with us and said, we're really not getting consumer complaints. My usual response is, get a life. Get out of your office. Go to the airport. See how hostile everybody is now. So we put up a website, ARTA, that's called MyTravelRights.com. And when you log in your zip code, it sends a copy of your complaint to your congressional representative and to the DOT. Is it doing any good? I don't know. It gets the aggression out of your office. You're showing you're going to be helpful. They're going to show them. Doesn't get buried. Well, at least it's getting to them, and that's about the best we can do. Once a month, we're having to defend a consumer, a passenger, who is arrested on the airplane. I call it flight attendant rage, not road rage. You have these two-tiered flight attendants that have attitudes. You're in the aisle. We gotta go to the bathroom. Can't go to the bathroom. I am serving the drinks now. And give them any static, not the drunks and the rest or so. That's a different situation, unless they keep serving them. And they open up their mouth, and they're automatically FBI and local police taken down there in this serious cases. Once a month, at least, we're getting called in to a case like that now. It shouldn't be, but there are complaints. I am trying to get you and your agencies to say you are an agent. All right, you're the accounting person. In the old days, I represented Tradman Torres from Hawaii, probably my closest friend in the industry. And the owner signed the contracts for the charters. He was the 8th largest airline in the U.S. because he did so many charters to Hawaii. He and the controller couldn't get on the IATA list because they weren't selling and generating travel. As compared to now, in your positions, you would have never been allowed on the IATA list. We wrote that law and said that's absurd, won't go into that. But I'm telling you, in your position, you're looking after the money of the company. The money comes in all ways, not just what's through your book or through your software systems. It's